How to fix switch to youtube.com problem. So if you're facing a problem on YouTube and it says that you need to switch to your youtube.com, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and you need to find an option of system update. Tap on system update, and if you have any updates under your system, you just need simply go and update it. Once you've updated, then it will say that you are in the latest version and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and you need to open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, go with search, and here you need to search for YouTube. And if you have any updates under your YouTube, you just need to simply go and update the YouTube application. Once you've updated, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply find YouTube and press and hold on to that application. Tap on app info, and after that go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to go back and restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it. That's how you can fix switch to youtube.com problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.